Ashwagandha is one of the most powerful herb. Botanical name is Withania somnifera and the name is very interesting. Ashwa actually means horses. Gandha means smell. So the herb that smells like horses is known as Ashwagandha. And yes, really, it smells like a horse. You will have a chance of seeing the live herb ashwagandha growing. Just smell it. And you are going to remember my words that yes, it smells like horse. That's why the name is ashwagandha. But don't worry, roots of this herb is used. It doesn't smells like horses. But yes, it's not tasty. It's not as chocolates or ice creams. It has its own particular taste. I will always recommend to use powder rather than tablets or capsules. So why I'm talking about ashwagandha, why I love this herb. If you are a sportsman, if you want to improve your performance, if you want to have that strength, you should be using ashwagandha. It has been found that ashwagandha improves VO2 max levels, and this is going to improve your performance, that's for sure. If you are diabetic, if you are pre-diabetic, if you are suffering from insulin resistance, in all these conditions, ashwagandha can be a boon for diabetic people. Ashwagandha can be very helpful. Ashwagandha also gives strength to the nerves. And this is the problem with diabetic people. Diabetic people suffer from diabetic neuropathy or their nerves get weak with the time. That's all because of the diabetes. And ashwagandha can give strength to your nerves that can reduce the symptoms of diabetes. Ashwagandha improves the sleep. If you want to have good quality sleep, if you want to have deep sleep, ashwagandha can be a big help. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you that you should know how long to use ashwagandha. Ashwagandha, I think, should not be used for more than 2 months continuously. Then there should be a gap of at least 3 weeks. And then again, you can continue ashwagandha. And yes, there are some side effects, we can say, of ashwagandha. I will discuss it at the end of the video. Right now, first let's continue with the effects of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha helps to decrease inflammation. So if you are suffering from joint pain or any kind of inflammation, ashwagandha can be a help. Ashwagandha also reduces cortisol levels. That's the stress hormone. Ashwagandha also works as an aphrodisiac. So it will increase our energy also. And yes, ashwagandha can be used by male as well as female. It's a myth that ashwagandha can be used only by males or it is a male herb. No, that's totally wrong. Ashwagandha can be used by males also and females also. Regular use of ashwagandha also gives glow to the skin. Now, why it is so? According to Ayurveda, the holistic medical science, ashwagandha actually balances Vata and Kapha in the body. Vata means the air component. Kapha means we can relate it with mucus. It's a very deep term, but in general language, we can say the mucus in the body. So if you feel dryness in your skin, ashwagandha can be a good herb for you. But ashwagandha in extensive use can increase Pitta, that's the fire component of the body. That's why dose of ashwagandha is very important. I will recommend to start with half teaspoon once or twice a day. That's in the morning and evening or only in the evening for 2 months. Then have a gap of 3 weeks and then again you can continue it. If you started using ashwagandha and you feel constipated, then this means that these are the side effects of ashwagandha. Maybe the dose that you are taking, it's too much for you. You have to decrease the dose of ashwagandha. Maybe just half teaspoon is enough for you. And that too maybe just one time in a day. So see how your body reacts to it. So if you are feeling constipated, then you have to decrease the dose. And plus you can take ashwagandha with hot cow's milk at night or with honey. Of course, if you're diabetic, then you are going to only decrease the dose and you are going to take ashwagandha with water and not with honey. Even overdose can cause lethargy also. You will be feeling down. That can be because of overdosing of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha actually improves muscle glucose utilization. That's why it's very helpful in diabetic people. So yes, ashwagandha can give you lots and lots of benefits if you are taking in right dose and a good quality ashwagandha. The ashwagandha powder that I have shown you, I'll try to put the link down below in the description box. So see how your body is reacting with ashwagandha. Start with just half teaspoon one time in a day. Use it for about 5 to 10 days. And then if you feel that no, you can go up to 2 times in a day, half teaspoon, then go for 2 times in a day, morning and evening. When to use? after food or before food. You can use ashwagandha 30 to 40 minutes after your meal. Why I'm not saying before meal? Because some people who use ashwagandha empty stomach, they can feel nausea. So I don't want you to have that bad experience. So let's be on the safe side. Take it half an hour after your meal or an hour after your meal. You can mix it in water or you can just put half teaspoon in your mouth. Don't close your mouth, face upside, and just pour the water and just engulf it. This is how I use. If you want, you can mix it with water. You can use it with honey if you are not diabetic, or you can mix it in milk. And in this milk, you can add honey. So see how you are comfortable in using ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is awesome herb. You should be having more information about ashwagandha. So this video is to inform you more about ashwagandha. I hope today's video will be helpful for you. See you next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.